The Andhra Pradesh government has announced a new policy aimed at encouraging population growth. The move includes incentives for families having a third and fourth child. Officials say that the decision is driven by concerns over declining fertility rates. The government believes the state is facing demographic challenges. It points to a slowing birth rate in several regions. It also highlights a future shortage in the working age population. According to officials, the policy is designed to support larger families. It also aims to maintain a balanced population structure in the long term. The state says that this is important for economic stability and growth. Under the proposed plan, families with a third or fourth child will receive benefits. These incentives are expected to be financial in nature. They may also include access to welfare schemes and support services. The detailed structure is expected to be released soon. The government says the policy is not only about increasing numbers, it also focuses on child welfare and family support. Authorities have indicated that health and education support will be part of the package. Officials argue that population trends in Andhra Pradesh have changed significantly and fertility rates have declined over the years. Urbanization and migration are key contributing factors. Many young people are moving to cities or outside the state for work. Rural areas are also seeing a drop in birth rates. Some districts are experiencing aging population trends. This has raised concerns about future labor ability. The government believes a stronger population base is needed. It says this will support the agriculture industry and services. A larger workforce is seen as essential for development goals. The policy marks a shift from earlier population control approaches. For decades, India promoted small family norms. Andhra Pradesh itself has followed similar policies in the past. This new approach signals a reversal in direction. However, the announcement has sparked debate. Some experts question whether incentives will significantly change birth rates. They argue that economic and social factors play a large role in family decisions. Women's rights advocates have also raised concerns. They stressed that reproductive choices should remain voluntary. They caution against policies that may pressure families into having more children. Public health experts suggest focusing on education and healthcare instead. They say improving living standards naturally influences the population trends. They also highlight the importance of maternal and child health services. Officials have clarified that the policy is still being developed. Consultations are ongoing with stakeholders. The final guidelines are expected after further review. If implemented, Andhra Pradesh would become one of the few Indian states actively promoting higher birth rates. This would represent a significant policy shift in population planning. For now, the proposal has opened a wider conversation. It has brought attention to India's changing demographic landscape. It also raises questions about how states should balance population growth and development. The government says the goal is long-term sustainability. It insists the policy is aimed at strengthening families and ensuring future economic stability. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.